Hello to my already subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Come on, don't be scared. Do not be scared. We about to get popping, okay? Now, yesterday, if you watched my previous video, my Boxy-charm, y'all know that I had to, wash my hair, do a little something. Now, I decided to make... Y'all know I talk too much. Let's get straight up into this video. Now what you're going to need is a ruler, a shirt, and something permanent to mark with. I took my ruler. Well, of course y'all see it's a measuring tape, ruler, whatever you want to call it, baby. I took that and I marked every inch. And then using my Boxy-charm box, I created a straight line. Of course. Now, you can make it go all the way across, but I'm like, dude, for what? Like... we ain't doing all that. And then all you're going to do is simply mark it from like 1 all the way down. The front of the sweatshirt starts at 4 because, of course, you got the little V-curve neck thing going on. So, boom. Shirt because I actually want to like grow out my hair and take it serious. So, I wash my hair. I rub this all through it right here. Yeah, ma'am. That stuff right there. So let's see where my hair is in the front. Now I didn't write like on both sides because I was like, for what? You feel me? We just gonna figure it out. Okay, so we're gonna say the front of my hair is a 4. We're gonna say that's a 4. Okay, and then we're gonna turn around to the back. Y'all see that? Now the reason why I'm doing this is because like I just got a fresh cut, you know what I'm saying? But this right here is what I'm like trying to grow out. And I want to know how long does it take to like reach up here. So that's not even touching to the base of my neck. And move your hand. Okay, so I'm at a 10 in the back. So we at a 4 in the front, we at a 10 in the back. Personally tired of the lace fronts. They like itchy. Like I don't know what them things is itchy. I'm thinking about doing twists, but the way my schedule is set up, honey, I don't think I really have time. We're gonna have to figure out how to make time, because that ain't gonna work out too very well. And trying to stick this back in here. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like I said previously, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and comment below on some ideas that help like hair growth, like speed it up, because I'm trying to get the hair down to my booty by the summertime, just like okay, really, okay, my booty crack goal probably not gonna happen till next February, whatever, but you know what I'm saying. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for how I get this booty length hair all down my back.